Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section and give the permissions to the thumbs. As you can see, we've been transferred to the list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. At the top we've got Kinetic wallpapers, here live wallpapers, so those which are animated, here static wallpapers, so we can set a regular wallpaper. Right here in the right upper corner we've got this picture icon, and thanks to it we can enter our own files and set our own photo as a wallpaper. We can also tap on more wallpapers, and here we will be transferred to this section with the wallpapers which we can download and then apply. And let me check whether we can do it without logging into the account. So let me find maybe this one. Just tap on it, tap on OK, and then tap on download. And as you can see, your device will download it, which means that we can download them without the account. So let's simply tap on apply, and now we can decide where you want to set it. So as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.